So pi radians is 180 degree. This is the baseline.
500.
Yes. So go and find 1 first. Your idea is to find this.
So do you put this question inside?
I don't know. Okay? So you go and multiply in. And then because they say leave it in terms of pi radians, you just key in everything without the pi. Okay, then you should get 79 pi radians. Yes. No, not 80 times 140. This is 1 over 80 times 140. Just leave out the pi. Okay, radian is the same thing. Go back to this. No matter what, always go back to this. It's just like 1 meter is 100 cm. Go back to this. Find 1 radian. Then you want 5.2. So RAD is just a unit. Don't need to be scared by it. So you do the same thing. This question never say leave in terms of pi, so you just give me in decimal. So 1 dp for angle. Okay, 1 dp for angle. So again, this is Progress Tracker 4B is in your Google Classroom. Yeah, if they say leave in terms of pi. Okay, but this one they never lah. Just press calculator whole thing. Yes, because this one never say leave in terms of what. So this one key in this whole thing. Then that is what you get. Okay, last one, same thing. I know that 1 degree is this. So 300 degree will just be times 300 on both sides. So this one is simple conversion. Yeah? Scroll down. Oh, can.
So
Yeah?
if they like say leave in pi, right?
Yeah.
Need to replace the pi with 1, right?
Yeah.
Then the b, if you put 180 over pi is still 180.
Yes, 180 over 1 times 5.2. But this one, they will ask you leave in pi one because the pi should be on top one.
Oh.
The pi cannot be in the denominator.
The number will be
Okay, so remember radians is 3SF. So 5.24 radians. 3SF. Okay, so this is just conversion. Okay, make sure you can do conversion. In case I give you degree, you need to use the formula in radians. But if I give you radian, you should be happy lah. Straight away you can do. Jamil, you following? Okay. 1 period only, find your focus. Ufa, you don't everyday make flower, cannot. Then you can look at the question on the screen. Don't look at the glue gun. I don't know. I got meeting. I next week also got some learning journey. Teacher also need to go learning journey and learn. Cause I got.
It's our last year together. You want to just leave us during our crucial 1 hour 10 minutes.
I have a job to do.
This one no, you just hate us. We are your children. How can you leave us? Our last year too. Wow. I will remember this like that.
Yeah, put it in the collage.
Yeah, this one.
Yes. Radian is just unit. It's just like 1 meter. Oops. Is 100 cm. This is pi radians. is 180 degree. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so this is just a unit of conversion. Just like how you remember 1 meter is 100 cm, pi radian is 180 degree. Okay, we move on. Latika. Okay, this one. Question 4. Sector has a perimeter. So that means this piece. Okay, so these two. So they only give me the whole thing is 31.7. I don't know what's my R. I don't know what is my arc length, but I can find. So can you go and find the radius? So can you take the next 2 minutes, work it out on your paper, work it out on your iPad. Okay, before I go through. No, later. Others need to try first. As many decimal places as you can, and then with a R. So these two you can add up. They are all R's, right? So it's actually 4.408554R. When you add them up.
So you times 3.
No, why you times 3?
What times 3? No, divide by.
Yeah, so to find R, you divide this whole thing by the 4.408. These two add up. This is 2R, this is 2.4R. You add them together first. So, my suspicion is you can do this, and then the algebra you get stuck. So, you all need to understand how to simplify. You all don't try to read me.
Smiling already. Now she gonna say she's so misunderstood. It's okay, Miss Hong.
Okay, just like that. Oh, nearest centimeter, sorry. So it's just 7.
7.00.
No, nearest centimeter you can leave like that. Nearest cm. Yeah. The paper is okay. It has been modified twice. So the first time I need to show all the Sec 4 teachers, right? Then they will be like, huh? How can you? Then we change one time. Then the paper go to Mr. Po. Then he look at it.
See the seven teachers learn how can you?
No, he say you hate the student, is it? Then I change one more time. So now it's a joke. Now the paper is a joke. Now the paper is a joke. Really.
Wait, Miss Hong, is your name still on the paper? Or they also remove from there?
Why must remove?
Because for
Why?
because we keep blaming the teachers.
Oh, then I must. Okay, I shall propose this.
Because Mr. Lahar said
You know, Miss Salom seems so poor thing, you know. She said the paper, then everybody keeps scolding her, right? Then she had to use her husband's name and change her name in the paper.
what?
To Mrs. something. Mrs. I forgot what Miss. I forgot what. You find one paper, Mrs. something one is Miss Salom Sim.
Huh?
She didn't use her own name because every time they look at the paper, they scold.
Every time they see Mrs.
You see, you all are bullies. The teachers are scared.
No, you're just
Okay, question 4, done. Let's look at the next one. This one. Okay, spend the next 3 minutes. Try. Put in everything you know first.
What is radius? So got the two radius, right?
Mm.
Then got the angle in between.
So I know. So is it
Then use what?
you use the big one, then you find the big little.
Okay, the only thing they give you is the area of this slice. Major sector. That's the only thing they give you. 180.
360 minus little. Then you get that one, right? Then you submit the formula. The area of sector formula.
Okay, you're here. Check. Try.
So you must reverse
Okay, area of sector formula. Because they ask in radians, you use this formula.
So you sub it in R square divided by 12 square.
Okay, try on your calculator. See whether can get or not.
Yeah. Oh, we don't have the liter of yeah, the whole biggest is the liter of
Must use the whole thing and then
what is the bag?
Ria and Chloe, you all trying or not? Chloe, stop combing your hair. You know 1 year my 4A boy, right? President of the school, right? He just made a very big decision that he got enough of getting C's and then he shaved his head. No, Aka. Okay, now he is a intern doctor.
I'm so confused. You say he had enough of getting C's in shit. How does that?
No, because he said he had enough of focusing on how he looks, how he wants to, get into a relationship, get distracted by how people view him. So he shaved his head and then he tell himself that I'm not going to focus on my looks. I'm just going to go all in. That's called locking in, huh? No, he's good looking. Okay, and then after that, 3 other of his friends all go and shave. So 4 study every day in front of the class.
You know the thing is, in P6 I actually shaved my head and I was bald.
Okay, but I'm not saying that you need to do this, but it is that determination that I want to do something for real now. In your new language is what? Lock in.
If I ever shave my hair, I'll just keep touching my hair. Yeah, okay.
But I'm just saying to focus really all on this.
Will you remember ask when you graduate? Probably not.
Maybe many batch later I will use you as an example to share with the next batch.
Yeah, this class they didn't do really well, so I saw them the next year.
Wait, how do you feel teaching 3 generations?
What 3 generation? Oh,
How do you feel teaching 3?
do you have one more sibling? You're the youngest, huh? Oh my god. But actually you look most like Mahesh.
I know.
Yeah.
You know what
Same.
You know what Mr. Yap said to me? I was going to deal with him. I look like his sister.
Yeah, same face. And Mahesh was nonsense in lower sec. And then during PTC with your father, right?
How useless.
No, your father scolded Mahesh and said, can you please be role model to your sisters? See, got 4 sisters. Where got 4? Got 4. Oh, still have. 4 sisters. Okay, but okay, he turned out fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, in BB he was excelling. Then suddenly, he lose a lot of weight. Then he focus on looking good. I don't know lah. Okay, anyway, area of sector, major or minor, it depends on the angle. So this angle, you don't choose this one. This is the minor one. You need to choose this one. So the angle you put in is not that angle there, but rather 2 pi minus theta. Don't use theta, use 2 pi minus that. Because 2 pi is 360. Pi radian is 180 degree, right? But 2 pi is 360 degree. So in order to find this angle, you need to use 360 minus the angle. So it's 2 pi minus theta. Okay, then radius I know I put in. It is equal to 362.88. Okay? So you go and calculate 12 square. The formula is this. Half r square theta. This is the formula, right? Isn't it the same as r square theta divided by 2? You have something is the same as that thing divided by 2. Okay? So if you go and calculate, you will get 72. So how to solve for the theta? I divide the 72 over first. Why 72? This one. Okay, you calculate the number first. We deal with it later lor. I never touch it at all. It's still there. Only if you want to expand in, but I don't want to expand in, so I leave it there first. Okay? So I divide by the 72 now. Now I'm only left with this one. 2 pi minus theta. So I go and calculate 32.88 divided by 72. I get this number, 5.04. So how to eventually get this? I bring the minus theta over here. And then I bring this over there. So 2 pi minus 5.04. So you all must be careful. I think you know the formula, but the numbers you plug in, if you plug in wrongly, then the whole question is gone. So 3SF, 1.24 red. Shown. Okay? Kiran, are you doing? You don't have high energy at the start, then lose steam now. You will regret.
Yes.
Okay? So that's why I wanted you to try first, so that you go through the struggle yourself. If not, I fixed the struggle for you already. Ufa, if you don't want to do, at least don't talk so loudly. Okay, so that's question 5.
Just ask if you need help.
Okay, question 5.
So that's question 5.
No, this one is question 5. I want to go to B now. B is finding the perimeter of the minor sector.
I know.
Means this one.
I know. You must put the radius formula, then you find the part, then you plus strong.
Okay. So if I draw out that piece, I know this is 1.24. If this part you cannot show, is okay. You can use the 1.24 to continue with the question. Don't miss out on the part B. Justin and Jamil. Ayo, I don't know how. I really don't know how. Every day I like catching y'all, make y'all listen, but the next moment you do something else. You're really not worried about your result, huh? Then I shouldn't worry, right? It's your future, not mine. My future is more or less like that. So arc length for this one is r times theta. And then these two perimeter, you add up. So to find perimeter, you use radius times 1.24. Okay, I strongly recommend that you can use the more accurate one here. If you have. If you don't have, then you use 1.24. Okay, and then plus the 12, plus the 12. Okay, so you must know when we are looking at major sector, minor, arc length. Okay, for these two, the only difference is the angle, the theta.
So you can change that.
Change what?
This back.
How?
You need to go second.
Okay, not now, not now.
Can do for after. Why? I'm trying to help you.
Okay, okay. Irritating, right? Sometimes the update is not good.
No, it's you're just not used to it. You can split screen, you know.
I know. But it's so small. Cannot see. Okay, this one. Okay, maybe not volume. Let's ignore that. Let's go to circle properties, which you also need to remember. Okay, A, B, C, D points on the circle. The chords
Because radius.
are equidistant from the center. So there's one important thing is if these two chords, oops. Yeah, let me. Okay, these two chord is a line that joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. Like A and B, I join it together. This is called a chord. This is another chord.
This is Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, wait. When they say equidistant from the center, it means this distance and this distance is the same. So do you all remember equidistant means the chord also equal? So in other words, AB is also equal to CD. It is also 15. Why cannot? It is also 15 cm. Okay, because when they say equidistance from the center, they must be equal in length also.
So it's the angle also.
Angle, wait, we write down, mark out all the radius first, then all your 90 degree will be, not all your isosceles will stare at you. Okay, then they ask you, why is OCD an isosceles triangle? Okay, then you can say because OC equals to OD, therefore angle OCD is equals to angle ODC. That's why it's an isosceles. So you can explain this way. If you want, you can even tell me they are radius.
So OF is Pythagoras theorem.
Yes. So if we zoom into this O, M, and C, this is 45 degree. This thing, wait,
No, it's AB sin C.
OC I know is, oh, I don't have OC. Oh, so cannot use Pythagoras theorem, but I can use Tuakaso. What is this?
15 divided by 2.
So 7.5. So what you can do is H, A, O. You want to find O, you have A. So what do you use? OA is what? Twa. So tangent of the angle 45 degree is OM over 7.5. So just cross multiply. So 12.1, 3SF. Okay? This one don't have much circle properties, only the chord properties. 15, right? Got 1 more minute. Okay, so this weekend, right, the only thing I haven't go through is set notation, which is the other 2 worksheets inside. If you want, go and recall that because you cannot afford to lose any marks for set notation. It's supposed to help you do better. Okay, so don't lose marks for set notation. Then HBL continue to do the questions from here. Next week, Monday, Tuesday I don't see you. Only Monday, double period. We'll go through whatever we can. And then Wednesday is your actual paper. Wait, there's 2 copies. So CAE is this. CE. Got people missing again.
Chua, my turn.
I cannot even hear.
2F.
Nadine.
3E. 3E.
Are we 3E?
Upper 2F.
Okay, CEA. I want to find CEA and you see 2 marks means minimally there's 2 steps. So how can I go about in finding CAE? AED?
Yeah.
Okay, the whole thing, correct. So this one is 90 degree, yes.
Then actually we don't need that.
Well, how is it?
We can use that. So angle in a semicircle first.
180 minus 15 minus 18 divided by 2.
Cannot. We cannot assume it's isosceles. So after you found 90, right? If you know this tiny angle, actually you can find the red one. Is there a way to find this? The what? The ribbon thing. Do you see the butterfly here? So actually that green angle is 15.
How do you know it's 15?
Because angle in the same segment. If you have all 4 points touching circumference,
Oh.
then the same part of the wing has the same angle. So I can write down angle CED is 15. Angle in the same segment. And then finally CEA is just 90, take away the 15. So 75. This one got no reason because it's just the difference. So this red angle is 75 degree. Okay, so Wednesday is the same thing. When you see a circle, go and think about all the property that you can use.
Isn't it really stupid that our AP is after our WA?
I don't know how they plan lah, but
Then
okay.
you should take Miss Lee's period today and then give Miss Lee your camp on
But
Wednesday.
she has made her plans already.
Plans can change.
Okay, next one. ACE. ACE is this one. So I want to find this angle. How can I go about in finding that? Is there a way? Look for the other wing of your butterfly. Same butterfly. The green wings, right? Can you see that it should be equal to this? And can you find this? Can you find ADE? Can find this or not? Can find? How?
180 minus 15 minus
Ah.
15 minus 9.
Sum of angles in a triangle. Good. So 180, take away the 90. Take away the 18. So it's 62. No, 72. So sum of angles in a triangle. If the question says state your reasons clearly, then you have to tell me every step what is the reason. If the question never say, you never write, it's okay. Jamil, following? Okay.
It's ACE, not AD.
ADE. Yeah. After you find ADE, you can find ACE already. ACE and ADE is the same angle. Then you write angle in the same segment. Okay, once you can see the pattern, then no question is difficult. Okay, this is part B. Okay, next one is part C.
Wait, this one, was it marked wrong? Is like reason
They can choose to minus 1 lah.
from the whole question, right?
That part lah.
So basically the mark lah.
If they say state your reasons clearly for every step. But if they never, then actually you don't write reason, it's fine. Okay, next one. I want ABC, this one. How can I find it? Quadrilateral. So go and find the 4-sided figure in your circle. The two opposite angle add up to 180. So this one already found 75. So you can definitely find this. Yes. So angle ABC is 180 minus the 75. 105. So angles in opposite segment. So the popular ones now you can remember by heart is angles in opposite segment, angles in same segment, angle at center, twice angle at circumference, angle in a semicircle. So these 4 they keep testing. Okay, during circle property. Ufa, you don't want to come in, don't come in forever lah. Ria, you following? Because you stare at the screen so long. Yes. We will always say it's quadrilateral because it need not be parallel ma. So you won't use trapezium. Yes. Trapezium means one pair is parallel. This one. This 2 is 180. This 2 also 180. Okay, so remember all 4 points must touch the circumference. So circle properties. There will be definitely a question that relates to this. Another question maybe got tangent line. Make sure you know how to do both. Angles in opposite segment, yes. Tangent if I have an additional line, like externally here, then we will involve tangent. Okay, this question don't have no tangent properties. Okay, so this is 8. The only type of question we haven't really do is set notation, which we will go through in a bit. FC. Okay, let's see EOD. EOD is here. They want you to draw one more line. This one. -1. 2 ways you can do it. Either you use isosceles triangle. So angle EOD, you can use 180 minus this one times 2. Because it's an isosceles triangle. So you can do this, then become 146, so 34. Okay, isos triangle, base angle of isos triangle. Or if you want, you can also relate to angle at center is double angle at circumference. So this one is double. So you can also tell me EOD is 18 times 2. Why 36? That means this one I calculate wrongly, is it?
Can you take 180 minus 90 minus 18, then you get ETO, right? And then you
Can. Adjacent angle on a straight line.
then need to times 2, and then 180 minus that, then you get EO here.
Can. But longer step lah. Yeah, so it's workable, yes. If they want, they can. But we wouldn't be focusing on trigo in this paper. That's all I can say. Yeah, but if they want, they can. I mean, if they want, like Picasso, find the length, cosine rule, find the length. Okay, but it shouldn't be the focus of the paper. Yeah. Yes. If they want. Okay, but we have revised that, so you don't have to worry. Okay, last angle.
As if like you guys.
I cannot be telling your extra info. It must be fair for all. AFC is if not I need to send May back already. If not, Ufa cannot study. AFC is this angle here. How can I find that angle there? Actually quite easy, right? You have every angle already. Yes, just minus. So AFC, I use 180 minus the 15 minus the blue one, which is 72. So 87, 93. Sum of angles in a triangle. Then these two angles. Can you see this triangle? I'm just subtracting the other two, the 15 and the 72. This one is 72, this one is 15 ma. Okay, so this is part, this one is D, right? And this is E. Okay, I put everything on one page so it's easier for you to see. Okay, so it's possible that they ask you for an angle where you need to draw an additional line. So don't be shocked when it happens.
You ask us to draw like 3 or 4 lines.
They will tell you which angle like AFC, you know you need to draw that angle there. If not, not AFC, just now the EOD, this one, you need to draw the line EO. If not, the angle cannot form. Okay, that's it. What's the next question? I know, I'm just looking at the top. EOD and A. Okay, last one is K9 got arc length. Maybe. Did they ask? Okay, so you see, I have two tangent line. When two tangent line meet at an external point, this triangle is isosceles. Go and mark it out first. This is very, very important. Okay, and then it says that ABO is 33, OA is 8. So go and write in everything you know. So this one 8, this one 33, because it's isosceles. Then they say, can you find the reflex of the angle AOB? That means instead of the angle inside, they want the angle outside. Find inside first, right? So go and find inside first. So angle AOB is 180 minus the 33 times 2.
246.
Wait, give me the 1 first.
260.
114, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, then to find reflex, you use 360, take away the 114. 246, even number. Angles at a point. This is isos triangle. Base angle of isos triangle. Okay, so once you found the angle, quickly go and write everything down so that you won't forget you have that already. Yoon, focus. Don't play with your hair. I must buy hair clip for all the girls. Mandatory. WA must clip all the fringe together so that you cannot be touching your hair all the time. I never say shave. Girls, I never say shave. Just pin it up. So you don't have to worry about your fringe. Okay? So this is reflex AOTO. They want me to find this angle outside.
90 times 2.
So the important thing is, I know these two angles are 90 degree because tangent perpendicular to radius. So I go and write down first. OAT is equal to OBT. They are all 90 degrees because tangent perpendicular to radius. Okay, tangent perpendicular to radius is a very common one to use. So if I have 4 angles of a quadrilateral, they must always sum up to what? 360.
360 minus 294 equals.
Correct. Ayo, Ufa, I keep hearing your voice, you know. You sorry so many times already. 360 minus 90 minus 90 minus 114. So you have 66. So sum of angles in a quadrilateral. 4 angles of a quadrilateral always add up to 360. They ask for AT. ATO not AOB. Okay, my bad. Or ATB. Yeah, correct. What ATB what? They want ATO? Divide by 2 lah. Okay, if they want you to divide into half, this line divides the quadrilateral into 2 exact halves. So if you find ATO, it is just the 66 divided by 2. Tangent from exterior point. Okay, because 2 tangent that meets at the exterior point, the middle line will cut this angle into 2 halves. The 2 line is also equal length. So, yes. So today after the lesson, I will load it up, the full set into Google Classroom. This one, no. This one I haven't put in. Okay, so this is part 2. Find the length of TA. Okay, let me draw the part of the triangle I'm interested in. This, anything can be tested. Why not? Tangent line is tested what? Trigo is your foundation.
Oh, this can be tested.
Yeah, if they want.
Me if you want.
She just say
Take on okay, never mind. I don't talk so much. The more I say, the worse it gets. 33. Okay, so to find the length AT, what should I use? What should I use? H A O. I want to find A, I have O. You can use sine rule if you want, but you need this angle.
You got no?
So this one is what? 57. So this one match with this. If you prefer sine rule, use sine rule, it's okay. Then this one match with this. So AT is just this thing times sine 57. Why must it rain during math?
I like the green. Super.
Okay, remember your calculator must be in the correct mode. So this is 12.31892. So 12.3 cm, 3SF. Okay. More than 3 is also okay. Oh. Long also can. Degree?
No, like if you round up wrong, like it's minus mark.
Yeah, 3SF round up wrongly minus mark. Yeah, why? After O level. For the ice bucket challenge. Or at the foyer we do that. After O level. Right? Yesterday, right, I saw a trend. They say the Japanese exercise one, right? You all know that? Yeah, they say you do that 4 minutes, 2 sets every day, 8 minutes. Then you can lose weight. So yesterday I teach my son because my son need to lose weight. So maybe for morning assembly you can do it as a class.
I'm good, right?
Very cute one. They do like that. Then they do like that.
Japan is turning closer to the election.
Okay, next one is area of shaded region. Actually, if you observe carefully, there is a triangle here.
It's a sector, you know.
Okay, there is a triangle here. If you can find the area and then minus off the area of this segment, then you are done. So triangle no problem because you just found this, right? 3.1892. These two sides are the same. So actually you can find the area of triangle by doing half AB sine C. So let me do that first. Part B, half A B sine of the angle in between. I found it to be 66 already. This one. Okay, then I want to minus off the area of the segment. So there's another step I need to do. Area of segment is area of sector. So 114 over 360 times pi r squared minus the triangle 114 over 360 times no, not this. Half AB sine C, right? My bad. Half 8 times 8 times sine of 114. Make sure calculator in degree mode. This one you are finding the blue segment. Okay, this one you are finding the gray triangle, the whole thing. So when you subtract them off, it is the shaded region. Okay, the rest is just press calculator. Yep. Then your answer will be weird or math error sometimes. Yeah. So if your answer you put in radian mode, then your calculated value is different, you will lose answer mark lah. Okay, but the method is still given.
How do we know it's wrong?
If the answer is like surprisingly very small, then maybe something is wrong. Okay, so you will get 34.88175. So 34.9 cm square. Okay? So go through it diligently. Jamil, you don't need to copy anything. Okay? So remember, Wednesday is your big day. We have been preparing for this. It's still very bad. I don't know what to say. I will go into meditation mode.
Maybe you should go into easy examination.
No. I will just go and meditate.
How
I don't know. I just hide somewhere and cry. I don't know what to do already. Okay, 9 is done. Let's look at... Okay, wait, not yet. Some of you still copying.
The rain is making me sleepy.
Is there a blank page?
Is there a blank page? Might have for rough work lah. Might have. Okay, done? Not yet. Latika, you okay? Why you got eyeshadow on your table? The what? You're making flower for what? Okay. Together with arc length. Yeah, they B. Next one is 8. Oh, then part 3 is I cannot. Okay, never mind. Okay, can.